Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming scratch depth because the method depends on it. If it's only in the clear coat, you can restore with sanding and polishing. If it reaches base coat, you may need touch-up paint. Once done assessing, wash and dry the panel, then mask off surrounding paint to protect edges. Lightly sand with 1500-2000 grit in even strokes to remove irregularities. Make sure to keep the paper wet and check progress frequently so you don't sand through to primer. Once the initial sanding has smoothed the scratch, move progressively finer, 1500-2000-3000 grit, while keeping the surface lubricated to avoid heat buildup. You want to remove sanding marks from each previous grit, so check frequently under good light. After sanding, apply a medium rubbing compound with a foam pad at about 1000-1500 RPM to restore gloss. Follow with a fine polish to refine the shine. Make sure to feather the edges so that you finish by removing any compound residue and applying a paint sealant or high-quality wax to protect the repaired area and even out reflections. If color is missing, use manufacturer-matched touch-up paint in thin, controlled layers and let each dry fully before sanding or polishing lightly. If you notice the repair looks dull or the scratch wasn't removed because you sanded too deep, stop. Clean the area and either use clear coat touch-up or consult a professional to avoid further damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.